Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have some new sticker books that are releasing from Mojo Jojoplans. If you watch my plan with me videos, even my budget videos, I use Mojo Jojoplans sticker books all the time. They have the perfect boxes, the perfect shades of colors. There's just amazing stickers in here for functional planning, and I love how she has these categorized. So I'm gonna flip through all of these books that are releasing today. We have Autumn Boxes 2.0, Autumn Boxes, and Autumn Shapes. And these are revamped versions of the books, so that's cool to see too, because there's some extra stickers in here that she didn't include in the previous releases. So these will be the new versions of these books moving forward, and then those older versions will be discontinued. And then there are some restocks if you're interested in some of the other books too. She's really good about restocking books. So there's blue boxes and more, which I love those books that are coordinated by color, because they're super easy to find things, especially if you're looking for a specific color. Blue boxes, pink boxes, one of my favorite, and black boxes, of course. If you're gonna get any of these books, the black boxes, that's a great one to start off with. But I love these seasonal ones because they will coordinate with my upcoming fall themed spreads, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, I'm gonna flip through all of these books. There's two that look like they're 30 pages, and this one's a little bit bigger. So this one is 60. So two 30-page books, and then a 60-page book. So I have 120 pages of stickers to flip through in this video. And then I will have my affiliate link down in the description. I also have a discount code if you're interested in purchasing. Definitely use a discount code to get a little discount off of your purchase. These books right here, these 30-page ones, are $20 plus shipping, and then this bigger one is $34 plus shipping. So yeah, I'm gonna flip through these books and see what we have, and especially in these new revamped ones. I'm excited to see the new stickers in here. I'm actually gonna move my desk up a little bit to get a closer view. All right, so Autumn Boxes 2.0. Like I said, very excited to have some new box sticker books. These are really cool. They are foiled. This is gonna be perfect for some Halloween. This one has like a little holographic little print to it on the black one, so that's a cool effect on there. We have orange and purples and blacks with that fun design on there. So you have the smaller boxes here, some lined ones, and I really like the lines now they're more of a softer line on the boxes, which is nice. And then here's the revamped part of these books. You're gonna get checklists, half checklists, bullet points, and then some really nice headers in different font styles and page flags. So you really do have all the functional stickers that you need for a spread, in my opinion. I love using a variety of these things on my spreads. All right, next color scheme, more traditional fall. And you get like every size that you need, which is nice. Oops, sorry, I just hit my camera. Okay, just had to adjust things a little bit. But yeah, you get every size that you would possibly need for a spread, all the varieties that you would need, which is nice. Everything is covered for all of that. And then here's the functional checklists and all those new things in this revamped edition. These really pretty browns. I really like this foil. I really like the foil that that Jojo uses in her books. It's not as shiny in my opinion, which I appreciate, but this one's a really pretty like orangey color, like kind of coppery, I would say. But yeah, those are really nice colors, and I love that brown. It's a really pretty brown. And then the functional checklist and headers. Oh, and the headers are to do, remember, and priority. And then you have some currently ones if you're doing like a little currently page. Then we have some greens and purples here. Always love like purple for fall, especially for Halloween. That's a fun color scheme. And the box, or the checklist and headers. This one's fun. It's a little bit brighter. Okay, and the smaller boxes, the lines, and then all the checklists and headers. Okay, so that is the Autumn Boxes 2.0 sticker book. Next book is going to be Autumn Boxes. Okay, so this one's just Autumn Boxes here. So let's see how this one is, what we got going on here. This one's a really darker maroon kind of color. There's like two colors on here. I don't know, they kind of look, so I have like a little fly flying around and it's bothering me, but we have two versions of these colors. This one's a little lighter, and then you have a darker version, which I love these more like deeper toned colors, especially for fall. Those are really nice. Okay, then you got the smaller boxes here, the lined ones. So the same kind of layout for that other book. Then we have the checklist, bullet points, and headers. Next color scheme, got the orange and then the golden yellow orangey tones here. Okay, and then the checklists and the headers. Then we have some pretty greens. So in this one you get like two versions of a color, which is nice. The browns, you got a deep brown and then a lighter brown. And then this one's more like the Halloween color scheme, so the orange, black, and purple. So this book didn't have any foil, so if you don't like foil, this one would be a good one to pick up. And has a lot of nice fall colors, they both do. So that's Autumn Boxes 2.0 and then Autumn Boxes that are re-releasing in this new version of the book. All right, and then next we have Autumn Shapes. Now this one's a 60-page book. This one has lots of different shapes and colors for all your autumn spreads. So here's more of those like purpley colors here in the circles. Then you get some bigger circles, some with lines, some hexagons, half circles, hearts, and then some like diamond shapes. And this fun like flower looking one. I have to use these. These would be, actually these would be cool in like to do like a little garden. I don't know. I have to make myself use these because I always forget about those. But those are fun. I want to try to use those in a spread. Then we have some orange ones here. Hexagons. And then more of those little flowers. The greens. So they just have like each color in the same shapes. Next color is brown. And then we have some of the Halloween colors here. The hexagons with the lines and the hearts. These would be, actually this would be cool to use in a Halloween spread, so I'll have to remember to do that. Okay, then we have more of the fall colors here with circles, hexagons, the bigger ones, some triangles. I didn't even notice those at first. Hearts and the flowers. Okay, we got some foil here, that pretty coppery color. It's a good mixture there. And then the green and purples. That's a fun color combo too. And then that fun colorful the blues, greens, and pinks. The flowers. Oh, and then we get the cool black holographic looking one. So the Halloween page here. Or at least that's how I would use this one. This one's a fun Halloween page one with the foil. Fun. Okay, so if you get this book, it will coordinate with both of these books, which is cool to see. So you'll have like all the options across the board when it comes to boxes and shapes, and then they will match these books here. So those are the books that are releasing today. Definitely be seeing these in Plan With Me's, especially because I'm in, I think September I'm going to be going, oh no, once it hits fall, then I'm going to be doing some fall spreads. So yeah, I'll definitely be seeing these used in some upcoming spreads. I just love the boxes and all the color varieties that are in here. Also the fun foil options are really, really good. So definitely check these out. Also all the other books that she's restocking today. There's other books also available on her site. Definitely check them out. I use them a lot. I feel like they're really good functional books. I feel, and also boxes are very necessary if you do a planner spreads, because you need boxes to write things in. I just always like to decorate with boxes. So I feel like these are good. Or just having like a functional planner, you just want to put stickers down. These are always nice to have on hand. But yeah, these are releasing today. They are available now to purchase. My link will be down in the description, my discount code if you're interested in using that. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.